Hello people, this is Mo's Car Blog and you are currently watching a night drive POV of my 2019 M5 competition. So let's stop talking and start driving. So what can I tell you about the M5 competition? So it's a really comfortable car, like you can do a lot of long journeys with it and you've got a lot of comfort. Everything here is leather and the roof is Alcantara and we got heated seats and ventilated seats, massaging seats and everything. We got the Bowers & Wilkins audio system, which sounds phenomenal, you just have to hear it. You can drive it in comfort like this and you can't even hear the car. Let's shut the exhaust valve off. Like this, it's the perfect daily cruiser. The suspension is a little bit on the firm side at first when you get in, but you will get used to it so quickly. I got used to it after like 50 kilometers, after like 1 hour, 2 hours. I got perfectly along with it. And with the push of a button, you have a really hard supercar killer with only a push of a button, which is the M2 button, which I have preset it to Sport Plus everything. So yeah, let me just show you a little acceleration quickly. Let's first hear some pops and bangs, shall we? Listen to this. Sounds phenomenal, doesn't it? So let's now do a little pull. I'm already way too quick, so let's get on the brakes. So yeah, this car really makes you lose your license really quickly. Yeah. car is perfectly agile. Look, we're currently in a corner. Now it's a straight again. Now it's another corner. Let's get into this corner with some gas, some throttle. Car is perfectly. So yeah, let's turn around now and do a little pull. Oh, there's a lot of mud on the ground here, a lot of sticks, because it was really stormy. It was really stormy in the past few days. There was like trees falling off, and yeah, it's really not a beautiful thing. So let's now do a little launch control. Oh no, there's a car behind us, we can't do it. So let's do a little pull. Oops. Here's another corner, let's get on the brakes. So yeah, what can I say, huh? It makes you speechless. This car makes you really speechless. It does it so effortlessly. You just put your foot down and you go flying. This car does 100 to 200 in around 7.2, 7.3 seconds. We saw a lot of measurements with the what's it called, with the draggy. We saw a lot of draggy measurements, and yeah, this car really does some serious numbers. It can really be considered as a supercar killer. So yeah, there you saw the suspension. That's a little bit on the firm side. Look, we have here the Bowers & Wilkins audio. It's really a nice place to be in this car. You always feel like you're in a luxurious place, which I miss out on some sports sedans, but I guess that's the point, maybe. But this car really does the balance good. It's a perfect luxury car and it's a perfect sports car. And it's really damn sporty and it's really damn luxurious. Like currently, look, I will now get a massage. Here you can see. It basically have everything you could wish for. This is the perfect daily car, the perfect sports car for the family. Yeah, that's basically why I went for it, because it's got all in one. We also have the night vision camera here, which would show me if a deer or something would come. It would light it up, I think in yellow. It would light up in yellow so you can see the deer or the person passing by, which is a really good feature to have. It's an optional extra. So I'm really pleased with the car. It's really making me a happy man. So guys, I will now end this POV review. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this night drive, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.